Yes. 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 Hold on, let's go back. I was paying attention. Look what let's go on.
Reaction.
Boom, what's the ready to be about Tire Vlogs, aka the reaction boss? You know, back in fact, another video for you guys. Now, today we have a song from NG. What I ain't gonna spoil him. I'm not gonna spoil the name. Just know, say a subscriber in the comments say, yo, you see that Tire Vlogs loves the Nyash. So watch this video, and you're gonna see some Nyash. Right? I haven't watched the video yet, but just support me and look on right here. So in the start of it, well, first, comment on this video to see your comment right there in this video that I posting every single day. Consistent boss over here. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. We're on the road to 100k subscribers, and I need you to subscribe so we can do it. We're more than halfway there, so subscribe. Let's try it like 70k before the end of November. Yeah, 70k. Let's do it. Anyways, let's see what's happening for this video. It's the first video after the day. You know the FJ will be done, but if the video is spicy enough, we'll wake up the reaction boss. Let's go. I'll call it that pink.
King Fizo on the beat. Punyeto ugonjwa iko Kenya. Number one.
This is even wearing a plastic bag, bro. What the hell is going on? Hold on.
Punyeto ugonjwa iko Kenya.
Benzema.
Number one addiction gava inalenga.
Yes.
Ili mufuatilie Sonko na Mavela na lipstick mpya ya Kylie Jenner.
Boy, I love the Nash, but that look like a too much Nash right there, so go on.
Did you know Pornhub Awards yo happen once ile time ya cramps? Did you know Arsenal fans how kwa us Arsenal fans?
How the hell does Arsenal have anything to do with this? But hold on.
Do you know Pornhub Awards yo happen
Let go.
once ile time ya cramps? Did you know Arsenal fans how kwa us Arsenal fans? Did you know Alejandro anamute ngwatisa ya DJ Afro? Did you know mademo ngambo wanapenda mbo kumwaga kwa ndoo? Kuna kutuology, doshiology, waka.
But you was right. Well, you was right, G. Playboy Bunny. That's my favorite brand actually.
Ology, chora sabaology, nyonyoology, nyongaology, punyeto-ology, ngwatiology, G, ngwatiology, G, ngwatiology, G, ngwatiology, G, ngwatiology.
Hold on. You gotta do the one thing here and make sure the megabytes is right and the biometrics is okay and the stability is perfect.
Ngwatiology.
Yeah, it'll work okay. We have to make sure say it'll work alright. You know, we have to check it real quick. We have to check it out real quick. Go on.
G, ngwatiology. Mada kupata aibu, buda kupata aibu, bibia kupata aibu, mamorio aibu. Kuchunguza ili lead to a
This little beanie bathtub. I'm surprised it don't break. I'm surprised it don't break up in the pieces. All the action that go on in the video. No, sir.
addiction, itaji affection, kupata.
What type of drink is that, bro? What type of drink is that? I'm asking you in the comments. Actually, I don't know what that is. What?
Erection, ineffect.
Is it even drink or is it soap?
Timetable ejaculation, main catalyst ya pussy erosion. Jana, Jama alijipu.
I can't get over this man wearing a fucking suit of plastic bag. Like, what's the story behind the outfit, bro? What's the story behind the outfit? I don't know. Let's go.
Only Gava walikuwa rani jipuli. Volume 1 usipige kelele. Volume 13 mimi nataka kelele. Ode
I want to go that part of Kenya. Me don't talk. That part of Kenya, me want to go. That part, right? So any which part that visit video take place and then play there, the place, that part that me want to go.
Ode ruka kwa mdulu benka ode. Kuna kutuology, doshiology, pakaology, chora sabaology, nyonyoology,
I think I find something.
ology.
Hey boy. I think I find something, people. Hold on there. I think I find something. Where I go see still in a minute. I think I find something. We gonna see.
Kaology, chora sabaology, nyonyoology, nyongaology, punyetoology, ngwatiology.
Punyetoology, ngwatiology.
G, ngwatiology. G, ngwatiology. G, ngwatiology. G, ngwatiology.
Yes, hold on, let's go back. I was going to pay that 10 shot there. Look what so it's going on. Alright. Okay. Yes. Yeah. What? I think so. Uh, 2023. No, I can't. No.
G, ngwatiology. G, ngwatiology. G, ngwatiology.
Oh, that's a juice. I don't want the
G,
juice.
ngwatiology.
What is? No, I juice that one. No. See that one there. Yeah, the research purposes, people. Yes. W's in the chat.
Aibu, buda kupata. Aibu.
Hey, I'll see you on another video. I'ma like the video, comment, subscribe, share it to a friend, tell a friend about the reaction bar. Subscribe to the channel. Alright, I'm out.